What's it got left for it?
Detail it. We're driving it right now to basically let the tune try to do whatever. It's got that sniper Terminator system on it, so you have to go drive it and it'll learn itself, supposedly. Guess we'll find out. Other than that, it's like just driving it to work the bugs out. I guess that's the coolest part about building them. It's like you spend all this time doing it and then you're the first one that gets to go like play with it and drive it and see if it breaks down on you and you get to sit on the side of the road. So this is an actual turnkey build for us. It was a long bed and it went and it was supposed to get a motor put in it, and it's set at somebody's house for like a year and a half, and I don't think he ever pulled the motor out, and they contacted us and, so we cut it down, made it a short bed. Yeah, we made the rendering of the truck before, like the day he dropped it off, it was blue. And he was like, yeah, that's exactly what I want, but I don't think you'll ever get it. And so now if you look at the rendering and look at the truck, it looks identical. It was supposed to get a 5.3 in it. The motor we went and got was bad, and I had a built LS1, actual aluminum block, everything, for one of my personal cars. And I didn't want to wait, so I just went ahead and basically upsized him. And so he got the cool...
That's why he got your engine.
Oh yeah,
basically.
he got the full built LS1 cammed out. Like he's got the entire toy kit in his. So he lucked out on that. I don't think that's not something that happens all the time. Hell, to be honest with you, it made me gas. I didn't keep going.